I'm standing at the bottom of this waterfall here. It's the Mountain Summer Runoff in Colorado. See how pretty it is? There's a cabin up in there. Right in the middle of the wilderness. Just an hour ago I was in the city. Let's go up this. Yeah, there's a cabin back in there if you can see it. Let's see if we can go get to it. Gotta find a way to cross the river here. Sun's already setting. That's the best time to get these pictures. Let's go up and around here. There's still a lot of snow in July. That hasn't happened in a while. So much for global warming, huh? I don't know why people would think the Lord would leave us with no water. Let's go around here. See if we can get to this stump and go across. Go check out that cabin over there. Try not to make this too long. Hopefully I don't fall in. I never seen this cabin here before. Hopefully nobody's living in it. Here we are, right in the middle of the wilderness. I haven't seen no deer today. Let's see what this cabin looks like. Whoa. Yeah, somebody done built a log cabin back here. Left their beer cans too. Oh, this is nice. Got a heater in it and everything. They even left the beer. Well, I don't drink, so we'll leave it for somebody else. Got a heater. That's pretty cool. A lot of firewood there. Here's another beer. Yeah, we'll leave it for somebody else. More beers. All kinds of beers. All them beers are full. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Someone's gonna come up here and have them a party. Let's see what else we got.